Looks good, right?
Yep, it looks great.
Is it too sexy?
Yeah, maybe a little.
Oh my God. So what we did here is he had mainly a lop issue where the ear was hanging out, but also a cup. The key, when you look at it from the frontal view, you can still see the helix, and this is the trick, is you can't over-reduce this. You can easily over-pin this ear, but you have to be able to see the helix. That's this portion. If you don't see that, it looks like an operated ear. So this is a very balanced result. You don't want to over-reduce one area or the other area. It's really in balance where he is right now. How are you feeling pain-wise?
No, I was feeling great. I mean, yeah, yesterday I got home and I didn't feel any pain. I think it was because the sedation was still on. You know,
Yes.
But like around like midnight, it was like a little pain, it was like a little hurting. But like I took that antibiotics and it was like fine. Yeah.
I have put what's called Expro, which is a pain medication that is injected that lasts about 3 days. And ears I have found very uncomfortable for the first 1 to 2 days. By using this Expro, I started a few years ago. It's been a total game changer in terms of pain control. So patients typically don't have much pain. He's going to go home and wear a headband. That headband is not to hold the ears in place, and just as a sort of reminder not to bang this around. For 6 weeks at night, he's going to wear it when he's sleeping. That's it. And he's going to shoot a video recovery so we can follow that.